We had one thing on our mind: barbecue. So we jumped in the car and headed to a local spot not too far from the house, already thinking about brisket, ribs, the whole lineup. But when we pulled up, something wasn't right. The place was closed. Turns out they had moved. Now we knew they were planning a new location, but clearly we didn't keep up with the timeline. And at that point, curiosity took over. We had to know. Did the move change anything? Is the food still hitting the same, or did something get lost in the transition? So just like that, we were back in the car, headed to the new location to find out for ourselves.
Hey guys, we are at Old Hickory Inn. It has moved to the new spot that we have anticipated for a long time. It used to be down the road, but now it's at this big, beautiful new place, and we're excited to check it out. I can already smell the beautiful smoke, barbecue. I'm hungry. Let's go check it out and see what we can get. Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That is crazy. So how much does one of these cost?
I cannot reveal it to you.
Why not?
Because I would then have to kill you.
Okay, cool.
Take a look.
Wow.
So we got one for the brisket, one for everything else. We overlap, about 40 briskets. So we gotta do some more of this and follow them in there.
This is crazy. You use that wood back there?
Yeah. So we got a couple of cages get delivered outside, custom cages that are built tomorrow. So the next delivery will go inside those. But we didn't have space to put them, so we got them back here.
Are you the original owner?
It was my dad before me.
Really?
Yeah.
How long this place been open?
This one?
The business period.
63 years.
God, that's a long time.
Yeah.
That's a long time, dude. Man, you guys are killing it. For here.
All right. So we are going to, are you ready? Oh.
I can hear you.
Can we get the 3-meat plate with ribs, brisket, and jalapeno sausage?
On that brisket, you want the meat done or what's the mixture?
Can you tell me the difference? Because I don't know.
Meat is the one with no fat.
Uh-huh.
The moist is the one that's marbled, so it's got some fat in it. Or you
All right, guys, so I first off, I believe this place is a great freaking deal. $48.60. We ordered a 3-meat plate, which was $21.95. It's got ribs, sliced brisket, sausage or jalapeno sausage, and then we also got 2 sides, which is fried okra and onion rings.
Chicken fried steak.
Ooh, awesome, thank you. Yeah, go ahead.
There you
Yeah.
go.
All right.
Did we get like,
There you go.
can we get a
Gravy.
little mustard as well? Mustard
Sure.
and mayo? Thank you.
And we got the ribs and brisket and sausage. There you go. Your ribs, brisket, and sausage right here on your ring. Okra, barbecue sauce. This is a hot sauce. You want some of the regular sauce too? Barbecue sauce.
You want
Oh, I
some?
think we're good. Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you
Enjoy.
so much.
So guys, as you can see, they have all the fixings over here. Onions, jalapenos, lemons, pickles, everything you could use is right here available for you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm making a mess. All right, I gotta say, guys, this food is smelling spectacular. So we're gonna dig into it and let you guys exactly know what we think about Old Hickory Inn now that they moved, because we liked the food in the beginning when we went to the other location, but I gotta say, this is one hell of a presentation. I don't know if they did this because we brought the camera in or because Ted was talking to us, but we're gonna see what this food is doing. Let's go.
All right, guys, so I got the chicken fried steak sandwich. And you might ask why I got that. I like to try this sandwich everywhere I go because our hometown, Oklahoma City, has 𝐬𝐮𝐻𝐫𝐿 on the go. 𝐬𝐮𝐻𝐫𝐿 has the chicken fried steak sandwich. So I like to compare it everywhere I go. So here they serve it with lettuce, tomato on the toasted bun, and gravy on the side.
Why are you eating it with that? You don't like lettuce, tomato.
So we're gonna dip it.
All right, let's go.
Let's try it how it comes.
How it comes. Really? Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
No.
Just because you met Ted, tell
I know,
the truth.
wait, hold on. I'm sorry, guys. I can't believe right around the corner from our house, like I can walk here, I have something very similar to the 𝐬𝐿 sandwich. I've never, and they serve it with mayo or mustard, but with gravy it takes it to a whole nother level, guys. And you know, gravy is very risky, but this is good, guys.
All right.
It's a good choice.
Nice. All right, guys, look at this plate. Look how crazy it smells. It smells so good. So I'm gonna sample each one of these meats for you. First of all, check out this brisket. Look at that brisket pull. Nice and simple. Comes apart so easy. So we got two different types of sauce. One is jalapeno, one is sweet. We're gonna try it with the jalapeno sauce. That's got a good flavor. That sauce has really good flavor on it. Nice and sweet. Complements the meat perfectly. We're good to go. That's delicious. Man, you know what? You know what's crazy? Look at the smoke ring on that meat. Look at the smoke ring on that meat. Right? So it looks like their investment in those in that equipment that Ted wouldn't tell me the price of was well worth it. Look at that smoke ring. That's crazy. Got a little bit of smoke ring on the ribs. Let's see what they taste like without barbecue sauce. Oh, they have sauce on them, but it's really good. Absolutely. That's really good ribs right there, guys. You can taste them. It's tender. It's still juicy. It's not dry. You know, sometimes you can get dry ribs. This is absolutely delicious. Now, I really like ribs that come without sauce on them, but if you don't mind it, these are very, very good. Check that out. Look at the outside of that rib. That's good. All right, guys. Now for the sausage. You can see the seasoning all through there. You can see that seasoning. Let's see what it tastes like. So the casing has that nice little pop to it. The seasoning is perfect inside of there. This is perfect for a sandwich. Reminds me when I was a kid in Oklahoma, growing up eating sausage link sandwiches. That would definitely do the trick where I came from. And as you can see, comes with onion rings, toast. We ordered some okra.
Found out their barbecue sauce is all made in-house. So right here we have the original barbecue sauce. So if you're not a fan of sweet barbecue sauce, they did a great job of making just the original, like the vinegary. It's not overstated vinegary, but it's the no sweet original barbecue sauce. They did a great job of that. It has a pop of smoke, so it's still very good. So if you don't like the sweet, that is so good. So now we have the sweet jalapeno sauce, and we were introduced to it as it's sweet but not too spicy. So if you like the sweet, you want to go with this. So let me go ahead and try that real quick. Okay guys, that's amazing. So if you like sweet sauce, sweet sauce, that's amazing. So it has the hint of jalapeno on the backside. It's like a sweet jalapeno, but it's not like way too spicy. And when I say that, please understand, I do not like spicy at all. Well, when I say that, I'm not adjusted to the spicy. So I want to enjoy my food, and you can definitely enjoy the sweet, but the jalapeno spice on the side, and it's not too much at all. It is the great combination. And again, guys, this is in-house made. And how can you get better than in-house made sauce? I like it. I like it a lot. This is a definite have to. If you're in the Houston area, the Maryland area, you have to try this. You have to come here. The new spot on the corner, wide open, glass front, beautiful showing, the smoke room in the back, and the greatest staff. They have came and checked on us several times tonight to make sure that we're good, we're enjoying our meal. So the expectation is great. Thank you guys.
So guys, I want to take a minute to talk about the portion size. I don't know if it's because we had this camera or they do this all the time. If I remember correctly, when we visited the other location right down the street before they moved, they gave pretty good portion sizes then. But we have enough food left over. Okra, onion rings, plenty of brisket, plenty of sausage. My wife seemed to really love the ribs, so we don't have any ribs left. I ate one, she ate 1.5. But we got lunch and maybe even dinner for tomorrow. So guys, I'm going to ditto what my wife said. I truly believe they have elevated their game, and after 60, this place has been in business 63 years. I think Ted said it was his father's, and then now Ted runs the place, And special shout out to Ted. He was cool enough to take me in the back and show me the new smokers that they got. He was very proud of them. If you could have seen the look on his face when he opened up that smoker and the smoke rolled out, it was crazy. But I don't know why this place is slept on. This place should be packed out. There should be cars all over the parking lot. They have some absolutely delicious food in here, and we will definitely be back. Not only because it's close to our home, but simply because this food is phenomenal. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's a winner. It's still good. It's better. No, it's not a winner. It's not still good. It's better than it was before. The restaurant itself is better. Better seating, better lighting, better ambiance. The meat, the smoke ring is crazy. It's better meat, better. It's just better all around. So if you've never been here before, you're gonna get one hell of an experience. And hopefully you'll get to meet Bobby behind the counter, and you'll get to meet Ted, who's the owner, and he was super cool.